Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 0, Zimbabwe 0. I'm joined by Uchobe.
Okay, Sibo. Yeah. Game siluze kanjani?
Yeah.
I-game siluze ebenchini.
Sure.
Yabo ama decision webenchi lethu afetile bra wami. Yabona fethu bengamele afake ulomjitelo. Yabona ebele faka utalent, akhiphe uSmith because vele emuva abahlaseli labantu.
Yes.
Ube wrong ukuthi akhiphe ulofana unkotha afake uMorena. That was wrong. Yabona opportunity etholwe uFroster bra wami. uFoster. Ukube ethola unkotha, bokugol leya. Because bengakabachi bozayiplace nje as early as possible.
uFrost udlulekile.
But uBruce fethu as much as siya ku-AFCON but ku-World Cup fethu awusiphoxile.
Usiphoxile.
Awusiphoxile.
Hey.